Hello everyone, welcome to Live Mathematics. This is Alok Kumar Sinha and today we will solve question number 15 of NCERT exercise 6.5. So in question number 15 it is given that in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on BC such that BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. So first we need to draw a equilateral triangle. Suppose that this is equilateral triangle ABC. Suppose that this is equilateral triangle ABC. So in equilateral triangle we know that each side are equal. So suppose that this is A, this is also A and this is also A. So D is a midpoint. D is a midpoint on side BC such that BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. So BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. So it is given. So we write given. What is given? We must write ABC. ABC is an equilateral triangle. So we have AB equal to BC equal to CA. All are equal to A. Suppose that. Also to prove and BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. 1 by 3 BC means 1 by 3 A. 1 by 3 BC. BC is A. So 1 by 3 A. BD equal to 1 by 3 A. We use that fact to prove 9 AD square equal to 7 AB square. So for this we need some construction. So we need to draw some construction on it. Draw a perpendicular on BC. Let it is AM. And we know that if any perpendicular drawn from equilateral triangle, it is also median for that triangle. So BM equal to BM becomes A by 2. BM becomes A by 2. Construction, draw AM perpendicular on BC. Now I am going to prove it. Proof. In right triangle AMB, in right triangle AMB, AB square equal to AB square equal to AM square plus BM square using Pythagoras theorem. AM square plus BM square. Hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now AB square means A. AB is A. So convert it into A. A square equal to AM. AM is also in this triangle AMD. So this is also right angle triangle. So change AM. AD square minus DM square. AD square minus DM square. Perpendicular square equal to hypotenuse square minus base square plus BM square. Now we need AD, so we keep it. Change BM again. BM means BM minus BD. BM minus BD. BM में से BD को घटाएंगे तो BM मिल जाएगा. सो BM एंड स्क्वायर प्लस BM स्क्वायर. Now put the value of BM. BM means A by 2 minus BD. BD means A by 3. BD equal to A by 3. Here we can see A by 3 whole square plus BM. BM means A by 2 का whole square. Now solve it. AD square minus 3A minus 2A. 3A minus 2A by 6. LCM of 3 to is 6 whole square plus A square by 4. AD square. So we have A square equal to AD square minus 3A minus 2A. A. So it becomes a square by 36 plus a square by 4. Bring these two terms to LHS. So we have a square minus a square by 36. It becomes plus, and it becomes minus a square by 4. In RHS only AD square is left. So solve it. 36, 4 and 1 LCM of is 36. So 36 1 the 36 a square plus 36 1 the 36 1 a square minus 4 9 the 36 9 a square equal to AD square. 36 and 1 37, 37 minus 9 28 a square by 36 equal to AD square. Cancel it. 4 7 ja 28, 4 9 ja 36, and by cross multiplication we have 9 AD square. We have 9 AD square equal to 7a square. 7a square means 9 AD square equal to 7, and put the value of a. 9 AD square equal to 7a square. A means side AB. All are A. So you can write anything, but we have to prove AB. So we change 7. In place of a square, we write AB square. So this is the proof of this question. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.